In this video, I'll explain how to install Honeygain on iPhone and the current availability of the app. First, many users try to search for Honeygain in the App Store to install it on iPhone. However, as of 2026, Honeygain is no longer available for iOS. This means the app cannot be downloaded directly on iPhone. When searching in the App Store, the app does not appear available anymore. Currently, Honeygain supports other operating systems. For example, Windows, Android, Mac, and Linux. If you have a device with one of these systems, you can download the app normally. Simply go to the official Honeygain website. Log in to your account. Then choose the version compatible with your device. Download the app and follow the installation steps.